Homeowners in Deltona are increasingly investing in window upgrades, and for good reason. Whether it's to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or increase home security, replacing outdated windows offers a range of benefits. If you're considering an upgrade, here's why so many Deltona homeowners are making the switch. Enhanced energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the biggest reasons homeowners in Deltona are upgrading their windows is to reduce energy costs. Older windows often allow heat and cold air to escape, forcing HVAC systems to work harder and increasing monthly utility bills. New energy-efficient windows help solve this issue by double or triple pane glass that improves insulation, low E coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light in, argon or krypton gas fills that reduce thermal transfer, weather-sealed frames that prevent drafts and leaks. With Deltona's warm climate, energy-efficient windows help homeowners stay comfortable year-round while significantly cutting energy expenses. Increased home value and curb appeal. New windows don't just improve comfort and efficiency, they also enhance the look of your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your home's exterior, modern window styles can boost curb appeal and increase property value. Popular window styles in Deltona include casement windows for a sleek and modern appearance, double-hung windows for classic elegance and easy maintenance, picture windows to maximize natural light and scenic views. Upgrading to stylish, energy-efficient windows can make your home more attractive to potential buyers and increase its resale value. Protection against extreme weather. Florida homeowners are no strangers to hurricanes and severe storms, making window durability an essential factor in home safety. Many Deltona residents are upgrading to impact-resistant windows that can withstand high winds and flying debris. Hurricane-rated windows offer laminated glass that resists shattering upon impact, heavy-duty frames designed to endure strong winds, better sealing technology to prevent water intrusion during storms. By installing storm-resistant windows, homeowners in Deltona can feel safer and more prepared for unpredictable weather. Noise reduction for a quieter home. If you live near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas, excess noise can be a problem. New windows with soundproofing technology can create a more peaceful indoor environment. Features like multiple glass panes and insulated frames help reduce outside noise, making it easier to relax at home. Improved security and peace of mind. Outdated windows can be a security risk, making it easier for intruders to enter a home. New windows with advanced security features provide an extra layer of protection through multi-point locking systems to deter break-ins, reinforced glass that's harder to break, tamper-proof frames that prevent forced entry. Upgrading to high-security windows helps homeowners feel safer while reducing the risk of burglary. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Older wooden windows often require frequent maintenance, including painting, sealing, and repairing rot. Modern window materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite offer long-lasting durability with minimal upkeep. These materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, allowing homeowners to enjoy beautiful, hassle-free windows for years. More natural light and better indoor comfort. Many homeowners in Deltona are choosing larger window designs to increase natural light and improve indoor ambiance. Windows like bay windows, picture windows, and sliding glass doors brighten interiors while maintaining energy efficiency. Some modern window options also feature UV blocking coatings, which protect furniture and flooring from fading due to sun exposure. Is it time to upgrade your windows? If your windows are drafty, difficult to open, or outdated, now is the perfect time to invest in replacements. Homeowners in Deltona are making the switch to modern, energy-efficient, and storm-resistant windows for a variety of reasons, including lower energy bills, increased security, and enhanced home value. Upgrading your windows is a smart investment that improves both comfort and functionality. If you're ready to explore your options, consult with a trusted window installation expert in Deltona to find the best solutions for your home. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more beautiful, secure, and efficient living space for years to come.